tell you, I got my tourist stuff on.
Yeah, so we're in Chicago. We're gonna visit Strange and Red Horse. Well, Red Horse first and then Strange. We're on the way to Red Horse right now. So we have our Chicago stop, and then we're gonna go to Ohio. We're gonna do a little racing in Ohio, and then we're gonna hit the road again north to Michigan.
Michigan, Liberty, and Team Z.
Liberty, Team Z, and then we're gonna cross the border into Canada. And then we're gonna get into some other stuff up in Canada, and then head back down south and
it's gonna be so much fun.
Surprise a few people. So we have a lot on
Our plate.
the agenda. We're gonna visit everybody and see all the people and do all the things and do all the racing. We're going to lots of racing as long as this guy doesn't break the car.
Well, we're gonna have a spare trans and a spare
Yeah.
rear end ring and pinion. So
We're gonna bring the rental trans and the rear end with us. So we're on the way to Red Horse right now. We'll see when we get there. Bye.
What's up, y'all?
look at this guy.
Come on in, y'all.
And here,
Come on in, y'all.
this handsome guy.
What's up, West Coast?
Made it all the way out to Red Horse. We're gonna get a little quick tour, see everything they do here, check everything out. We got our tour guide over here, Kevin.
What she said. Yes.
He's gonna show us everything that goes down.
Hey everyone, Kevin from Red Horse Performance here. We are an aid and fitting manufacturer, so we make fluid transfer system components. That means for your oil, your coolant, fuel, E85 methanol. We have brake lines, nitrous lines, anything that's fuel related for your race car, boats. We got circle track cars. We even got some stuff aerospace. Come on by, take a look and see how everyday operations go. So this is where we do all of our crimp fittings. We got the machine behind us. We could dial this thing in, do number 3, number 4 brake, nitrous. We could go up to dash 16 with our regular 7,000, 7002 crimp. So Tess is gonna knock out a brake line.
See if I can do it right.
Come on. Yay! Golfer clap. So, Tess, I'm gonna have you pull an order. Mr. Elmer Morgan, if he's watching, it's the first time you're really doing this, so if there's any issues with any mispulls.
I have no idea what I'm doing, so
well,
you might get all the wrong products.
Sorry, he'll have to
Sorry,
take it
Elmer.
up. He'll take that up with you.
He'll have to call me.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna pull shit wrong. I don't know where Kevin went, and I don't know where these fittings are going, or where they're at, or like I feel like I pulled everything wrong. Where are the fittings?
Someone say they need fittings? You, a damsel in distress.
So we've been running Red Horse for about 3 years now, and aside from the amazing customer service from Mr. Red Horse Man, Kevin himself, and everybody else here, they just make a really good product. Their quality and their detail is amazing. They polish all of their fittings. This is one of their dry brakes, which we're actually going to use for the hydraulic clutch lines on Trash Panda. But also the whole fuel system on Trash Panda is done by them. The whole fuel system on the white car is going to be done by them as well. In addition, they offer track support with this trailer. They do a lot for their customers, and their support is amazing, which is what we like in a company. They're always trying to take their product to the next level, especially like with these new dry brakes. These things are going to be awesome, especially for bleeding the clutch in my car and making sure I don't lose all my clutch fluid every time we have to change clutch. So if you need any fuel delivery system items, go ahead and give my boy Kevin a call. He'll hook you up. This stuff is awesome. Okay, we did the tour. Now we're making Kevin take us out on the town and his...
We're going to check out Chicago.
Exactly.
What he said.
Hot dogs, the Bears,
The Bears.
some pan pizza, here's
Doubles.
my water bottle.
Chicago bean. There we go. Check out the list. She's all excited. She gets to flick the bean. Is that it?
I flicked it.
You good? Crazy.
It's not aluminum.
Yeah. All these buildings and stuff. Pretty cool. Well, check off the list, yeah?
I saw the bean.
What do you think? Chicago.
Hello, good morning. It's day 2.
It's day Thursday.
It's day Thursday. He's dying. Day 2 of the great North American
Tour.
of us. We're going to Strange today. We did Red Horse yesterday. Kevin took us around town. We got to see a lot of fun stuff in his little convertible Mustang, and now I want a convertible Mustang. So yeah, we're going to Strange. We're going to check it out. I don't know how much we're going to be able to see. They're a little secretive about their processes for good reason. They do some cool shit there. So we're going to check out what we can check out and show you guys. And then we're going to fly out to Ohio and go to a race.
Stick shift race.
Yeah. We'll see you over at Strange. Okay, bye.
Look at this guy. Handsome devil here. How you doing, buddy? Oh, give me some hugs.
All right, guys, thanks for coming by. I hope you like the tour.
This is awesome. Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
We're in Ohio.
We are in Ohio. We haven't seen you since we were at Strange. So Strange was a little more top secret than we were expecting. So we didn't get to show you guys as much as we thought.
Very cool, though.
Very, very cool stuff. Very cool top secret things going on over there.
We got a tour. We
got a tour you guys didn't. Ha!
Yeah. Well, there's like this much that they
Yeah. There's some cool stuff there.
We got just a tip.
Just the
Barely the tip.
Just the tip. But yeah, we're in Ohio. We had a rough night. We were supposed to fly out at 10 last night and get to Ohio at midnight. Didn't happen. We flew out at 7 a.m. after being at the airport for 10 hours, and we got to Bill's at 9:30 and went to bed. So it is midday and we're getting everything started. We need a new battery in the white car because that one's about 5 years old and it's not holding the charge anymore. And we're gonna go see Mark. So I'll see you over there.
Yeah. Got the tires a little bit. You see me swing that in there? It's nice.
This thing's nice.
Very nice. You know, it's hard to find good help.
Look at that. Well, you were hiding. I was back here. Hey, what's going on?
Where am I sitting?
What? Just right there. It's fine. You can set it right there. What's happening?
Take this. I'll grab the bag.
Shit, baby. Come on. Hand me your box.
Well, I was waiting.
Her box. Oh, we got a battery. Yeah. Off to next.
I don't know, we got a hot rod.
Changed. Check our overflow. Oh, that's right.
Makes me so happy.
It's got a dipstick.
Yeah. Look at that. Nothing on it.
Nothing on it.
Tiny little bit on the bottom. Nothing.
Not trying to plug Vibrant,
Freaking
but their overflow has a dipstick.
It's like the Ferrari of overflow. Little tank dude.
Tank dudes. Careful on my titanium.
Get out of here.
Are those titanium header bolts? Oh my
Yeah,
god.
because you're a freak.
Freak.
Oh my gosh. I'm filming, you filming, we're filming me, and
Yeah, we're filming, a lot of filming going on.
Gosh, look out. What are you doing, kid?
I'm checking header bolts.
Changing header bolts?
Checking.
Oh, checking.
Checking. They like to fall out. And they're titanium, so Tony will crack.
This is true. They are titanium and I would cry.
One loose. Hello, good morning.
Good morning. We got sleep.
Some.
No, it was better.
We didn't get a full 8 hours, but Tony got more than 4, so he's doing good. I'm still a little.
You got
Little
more.
rough.
You got more than 3.
Well, that
But
car
less than 4.
we did the oil changes. Got it all ready. We're at the first race of the tour.
Oh, we did test it on the street, and it bounced the tire, so I need to tighten up the.
It bounced the tire really bad. Basketball bouncing around in there. Driver's meeting is in like what, 20 minutes?
Probably. Yeah. It'll be
Good
good.
day.
It's gonna
We're
be
gonna
good.
win.
Yeah, there's
We got
no
a stick
sun
shift
out.
class,
We have
finally.
overcast.
Yeah.
Sorry, I don't talk over you.
How dare you?
Jesus, but I was just excited that there's no sun beating on us.
I'm excited that we're running in an actual stick shift class and not like having to enter small tire or true street or
I still
something
may
that we
enter
don't.
Small tire.
Yeah, but we have a stick shift class.
Yeah. It's gonna be awesome.
Doing great.
Liberty.
Okay, we're gonna pull the car out, get everything ready, and then go to driver's meeting.
Okay.
Bye.
It's like slow, but it was enough to win.
Good.
You know, it just spins and goes, but I won, so.
Good.
I'm happy.
I like to see Tony happy.
Yes, all the time.
Nice and easy. He balled really hard out of the hole. After that, I was like, Tony got it.
Slow. 681. Jeez.
Holy.
Jeez.
Hey, you got there first. It don't matter.
Just, I can feel it coming in. There's no reason using first and second. I probably could have ran it on the motor. But at that far, it's not going to light the tires up. So, it did good. It was still spun.
Yeah, it's fun.
But did he spin worse than me, or what did he do?
You know, I don't really know what was going on in the other lane, but nothing added up.
Nothing added up. What
Yeah.
did you witness?
Well, it sounded like it had a big block Chevy in it with about an 800 lift solid roller.
Mm-hmm.
It had nitrous on it, I think.
Yep. Two kids. Had 4 cylinders.
So why is he behind you?
I'm not sure. This is all steel car that I can drive. We can go get dinner with it. Full interior. I won, which I'm really excited about. Stick shifts class, so I thought I could do good, but that guy was definitely a hitter. I guess he's won a lot of no preps. And I'm really pleased with the car. I mean, we tightened up the shocks 3, and the kit's like really stretched out. It's basically on the motor because it can't take much, and it was raining.
I was gonna ask you if the clutch is like slipping, or because it left soft.
Soft. I left at 4,000, just let it motor out. And then it spun through second, and then it started to come in a little bit in third. It was just going. So it still went 115. That's fast for bullshit.
Yeah.
No, it's good. So now we're in the second round. We'll see what happens. Hopefully I can win.
Second round, we're going up. We're a little bit late. We got really fast Trans Am.
think it bogged real bad. The track's getting a lot better.
Yeah.
So it bogged and then it came on, and then he was like right there the whole time. And then the nitro started coming in. I just barely nudged him out.
Woohoo!
Really exciting.
Tony, you are going rounds and we haven't broke the trans. Like,
No.
everything's great.
Everything's wonderful.
Let me knock on wood real quick. Good job. See what Bill has to say here. Comments, concerns?
The track's a lot better at the hit.
I almost walked back here and told you don't let this fucking thing bog, but I don't know what you're doing. So
No, I left at 4,500, which is the same I left before, but it can take 55. But luckily, I made a last minute change. I saw how much better it was, and I brought the shipping faster. If I wouldn't have done it, he probably would have clipped me. I brought it in 3/4 tenths faster. And it held it all at the back. He was coming up, and then I held him off as soon as it came in.
This thing will wheelie now, but you gotta make sure you don't wheelie into the other fucking lane.
Yeah.
So as long as you can keep it in your lane, first, second gear change, you should be all right.
Well, if I leave on the motor, it won't really that hard. It'll go 1/4s on the motors.
Aww.
Sorry. I'm proud of you.
Straight car.
All right, Tess, what's your thoughts?
Excitement, that's it. Just straight excitement. I wasn't expecting that car looked crazy. And I heard it like getting it after it on the boost at the top end. I thought he was gonna come around you.
Did not.
Got nothing.
Did not come around him.
It's all about the Triclo 227s.
Well, then, these guns.
Jesus. Have some weenie pills tonight.
Oh boy! I'm gonna give you guys earmuffs.
Oh no. Oh no.
We're in the final.
You about to win this whole thing?
See what happens.
What happened?
We did good. Or I did good. Or we both did good. We did good. I did okay. You did good.
Tony missed second gear.
Yeah, right.
Everyone on the starting line said you missed second gear.
That's funny.
You say you didn't. I'm gonna say you missed it
No.
until I see
So-
GoPros.
I was in the final, and that bitch was cooking. I chopped his wig off because there ain't nobody in front of me off the fucking light. Any light.
Any light?
Any light. So I had about a car or so on him within 60 feet, which is good.
Pretty good for a race car.
And it was like spinning. I'm like, yeah, 10 per second. And like I could see it in my head, like clutch, gas, shift, like in Fast and Furious.
Yeah.
It went boom out the intake, and I just kept it forward, and then it caught back on, and then he already passed me, so I lost. But at least I lost to a really fast car. But I think I could have beat him. But it was fun time.
Went to the
Cars did good.
finals.
Yeah, fun.
I'm excited.
I'm excited.
First like stick shift class that we've been in a while, and we go to the finals.
Yeah, we enter small tire, we enter true street, we get to cars like Jimmy though, which is a lot faster than something like this. And it's good to race with other cars of same flavor. Like we're all oranges, you know, instead of
Yeah.
like me trying to, you know.
Instead of oranges and bananas.
Yeah, bananas. So it fucking worked out pretty good. I'm happy. It's good. And now she's gonna drive it back to the house because I think we're gonna stuff Billy's broke ass truck in the
Yeah,
trailer.
Billy's had not as good look. But it's fun. Everything's fine. I think it's an accomplished day. Tommy's still in, so we're still going to watch him.
Tommy's still in.
Tommy's
We're doing
still
good.
Car's still in one piece, so I get to drive it at Milan.
I think, here, let me hold. I think that this little car surprised some people.
Yeah.
Because I roll up and I shouldn't be in shorts and hey dudes and a lap belt, and it's basically almost on the motor, and I'm going rounds with these guys that have full-on race cars, which it doesn't matter. At the end of the day, it's a stick shift
At the end
race.
of the day, you all entered the same class.
We all
You
entered the
should
same class,
be in
but
the same
after
league.
it's said and done with, like, I could have won the race with my little street car that I just tweaked out on.
Yeah.
That we tweaked out on.
Little
And I'm
street
very happy
car.
with it. Very happy with it. Carbureted 408 and those 227s, baby. What do you want to know?
227.
Forward motor.
Ford motor.
Yep.
Street car.
Yep.
Same with Tony. He's on slicks, but he's a banger car.
What's that mean? What's the slick thing mean? You can't race if you're on slicks? Or?
DOT tire.
Oh.
Unless
everybody agrees to
I told him
It's a
to
banger
grind
car.
or just grind on the calipers. I know you don't care about them 1996 calipers, the factory ones.
Oh, I didn't know it was a DOT thing.
Oh yeah.
I mean, I came all the way from California. Jesus.
Here we go. Fucking California guy.
I'll grab Gracie, baby. Is anybody like opposed to him running?
Which car?
It's the White Fox. It's got a 5-speed all motor.
What is it that? Why is it that he doesn't fit the rules? Sorry, I'm how to say.
He's on a slick.
On a slick.
Yeah.
Small tire.
It would make it 12. Right now we're at 11.
Let's just have a bite ride. I've come a long ways to let somebody.
Yeah, that's fine. That's why we asked. Yep.
Update. What's going on?
The update is this. As most of you probably already know, my son is not the best at communication. And today we have a street car shootout on DOT tires. And Tony doesn't have DOT tires. And Billy's DOT tires would not bolt on the car. So, Tony's going to drive my Malibu. Billy's going to sit out and help film, I think. I don't know. But I'm going to focus on filming with a drone. Tony's going to run my car. And everybody's going to have a good day.
Okay.
Right?
I guess, yeah.
What'd you get? What'd you get? What'd you get? What'd you get? What'd you get?
All right. Twos.
Who got two?
Oh yeah.
What's your name? Nikki.
Aw.
Oh, that's gonna be a good one.
Oh, okay. The Malibu and the Nova.
So stay put. We're gonna do flip the lanes after this.
Hello, good morning. Roll the reverse. Hello, good morning. Oh,
Only a good morning when Tony figures out how to use Apple Maps.
I figured out how to do it. You couldn't. I'm the one who found the address.
How long did it take you?
What are you talking about? Everyone left before we even had the car started.
You weren't even near the car. I was in the driver's seat waiting for you.
That's fine. We're gonna figure it
We're
out.
starting off really strong.
So we were gonna be in a shootout of 10 to 12 cars. 4 miles, go straight. We were gonna be in a shootout, and
This guy just said 4 miles, go straight. It's clearly not a straight.
4 miles, and you're gonna turn. You're gonna go straight for 4
It's on
miles.
video.
Yes.
You said in 4 miles, go straight.
Yeah. said just drive my car, so I'm gonna drive Bill's car. I'll let you know what happens.
That flip switch, that's the bottle heater.
Flip switch bottle here, that's purge, that's the arm. Arm it after fucking I do my burnout.
The bottom button on the shifter is the line lock.
Okay.
The bottom red button up there. So all you gotta do is pull it all the way back. Push in on the brake pedal, hit the button. No, you know how to do it.
Yeah.
But that's it.
Hold it, shift it.
Yeah, you don't have to do a massive burnout.
No, I gotta figure it. I don't want to go into second.
You can't. That's first, second, third.
Tell you what though, I didn't even feel like I was going down the drag strip in that thing. Couch,
Sunday drive.
just does a burnout real easy to steer. I was about to turn the AC on. I should have on the way back, but I didn't want to leak anything on the ground. But it's just comfortable to drive. It doesn't feel like it's going as fast as it is. It hits hard, like it just.
Yeah, it just like digs and grabs and goes.
Yeah. Yep, it does. It's fun. It's the first time I've raced that car. I've driven it a couple times, obviously, but I've never beat on it. But it's just, he gave me a quick tutorial, and then I wish I would have won, but
yeah, would have been cool. But
I did everything I could.
The guy that beat you drove that car 19 hours here, so I would have probably been more upset that he lost first round.
Yeah, but we came from California.
We flew. That doesn't count.
But nonetheless, I think I did a pretty good job.
He drove that car, had blowouts, had to drive a donut.
Team California here.
Yeah.
Team California is out.
Yeah. The hired gunman didn't. I did the best I could in there. Got a race.
Who you racing?
Actually, it's not. It's just
It doesn't sound terrible.
Oh, the little
Who are you racing?
Little Firebird over there, the green one. Do some action. Pull some gears. Hit some fucking NOS. Use those 227s. You know, get something done.
Better win.
Oh shit. No nookie for me if I don't win. Yesterday's already passed. I did good yesterday. That didn't count.
Yeah.
There's a whole other day. Shit. Perfectly straight.
Wait.
No bullshit.
What?
I said it went perfectly straight, no bullshit. That's really good.
I need
Good.
$4.
Oh, why?
I bet someone $1.
Oh, shit. Make a small block Ford sound.
I don't know how to do a small walk forward sound. I can
Buzz,
I can
what's
do
that
LS.
sound like?
Blah, 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 blah.
What's that sound like?
Yeah.